what would you say, how does property data help you to be able to just have a stronger trust relationship with the policyholder?
Yeah, I think it's taking the information. I think because in our philosophy, we want ultimately, yes, we're in the insurance business, but we would like to, these homeowners to have high quality homes and to take care of the issues that are present. So I think over time, it's the usage of this information to help advise, and it's kind of getting into that maintenance mode. Going back to the pride of ownership, we're looking at characteristics. Who's maintaining their homes? Both of us live in the Pacific Northwest. You got to trim your homes and trim your trees and clean the gutters every year, or you're going to have issues. And so, who's doing that? So I think having all this information about from the home inspection reports is one data point, but also I think it can help the consumers in terms of, yes, you should follow up, because a lot of these home inspection reports have guidance of what you should do, and it's who's following up and doing them versus not, and then how do we help them? A lot of it's just hard to digest information, or just a lot of information. So how do you succinctly tell the consumers, your customers, what they need to do to have a hardened home, or more risk averse?
One thing that we do at Porch specifically is provide an app. Because you have all this detail, you can show them, here's the to-do list, for your policyholder of all the things that we recommend you do at certain windows to be able to maintain your home. It just triggers the thought, which is we should do this together, right? Or if others want to be able to partner on that, we'd be happy to. But we do have this data, and being able to make that readily available to your policyholders to help them. Most people that are buying a home just aren't thinking about it and tracking it, and even aware of, my hot water system, has rust around it. Well, if you don't go and deal with that soon, you're going to have an issue. No one wants to have, huge water escape, issue. And so, collectively, I think that we can do a good job of being able to, harness more unique data that simply wasn't available before, AI. And then how do we provide that to our collective customers to help them, protect their biggest asset in their life? And a lot of that stuff we can be able to help them, deal with proactively, as well. So that might be another just opportunity out there as we partner with more carriers to just work on how do we surface this information to the customer and avoid those issues.